In this video, we will talk about metric spaces. First, let us remember what a space is. A space is simply a set where relations between its elements are defined. Now, we introduce the main definition. A set X is called a metric space if we have a rule that assigns a number to any two elements X and Y. We call this number rho of X and Y. It represents the distance from X to Y. This distance must satisfy three important axioms. Axiom 1. Non-negativity and identity. For any points X and Y, the distance rho of X and Y is always greater than or equal to 0. Also, the distance is 0 only when X and Y are the same point. Imagine two separate points. In this case, the distance between them is greater than 0. Now imagine that the 2 points slowly move toward each other, and they merge into one point. When they become one, the distance becomes 0. This is the meaning of the first axiom. Axiom 2. Symmetry. For any points X and Y, the distance from X to Y is the same as the distance from Y to X. Imagine two arrows. One arrow goes from X to Y. The other arrow goes from Y to X. Both arrows have the same length. This is the idea of symmetry. Axiom 3. Triangle inequality. For any points X, Y, and Z, the direct distance from X to Y is less than or equal to the distance from X to Z plus the distance from Z to Y. Imagine a triangle. The bottom edge connects X and Y. Point Z is at the top. The two sides that go through Z together are always longer than or equal to the straight bottom side. This is the triangle inequality. Examples of metric spaces. Now, let us look at several examples of metric spaces. Example 1. Euclidean space. In Euclidean space, the distance between points X and Y is given by the following rule. Rho of X and Y equals the square root of the sum of the squares of the coordinate differences. This is the familiar Euclidean distance. Example 2. Continuous functions on the interval a to b. Here, the elements of the space are functions. The distance between functions f and g is defined as the maximum difference between their values on the interval from a to b. Rho of f and g equals the maximum over the interval a, b of the absolute value of f of t minus g of t. Example 3. The discrete metric. In the discrete metric, the distance between x and y is 0 when x equals y, and the distance is 1 when x and y are different. This creates a simple but valid metric on any set. This ends our introduction to metric spaces. Thank you for watching.